knowledge, experiences, and passions with a global audience. Blogging has emerged as a powerful platform that not only allows you to express yourself but also offers a potential source of income. If you're looking to make money by blogging, this video will guide you through the steps to turn your hobby into a profitable venture. If you feel to subscribe our channel, so please do not make you late. Find your niche. The first step to a successful blogging career is to identify your niche. Your niche should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It could be anything from travel, fashion, food, technology, personal finance, or even a unique combination of interests. Having a niche helps you target a specific audience and establish yourself as an authority in that area. Create high-quality content. Quality content is the backbone of a successful blog. Your blog posts should be informative, engaging, and well-researched. Readers are more likely to return to your blog and share your content if they find it valuable. Consistency is key, so establish a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Build your audience. Growing your blog's audience takes time and effort. Utilize social media platforms, SEO, search engine optimization, techniques, and email marketing to reach a wider audience. Engage with your readers by responding to comments and participating in online communities related to your niche. Monetize your blog. Once you have a substantial readership, it's time to start making money from your blog. Here are some popular monetization methods. A. Display advertising. Sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense to display ads on your blog. You earn money based on ad impressions and clicks. B. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission for every sale generated through your affiliate links. Circa sponsored content. Work with brands and companies to create sponsored blog posts or product reviews in exchange for payment. D. Sell digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or other digital products catering to your audience's needs. E. Membership sites. Offer premium content or a membership section with exclusive access to your most valuable content for a subscription fee. F. Consulting and coaching. If you're an expert in your niche, offer consulting or coaching services to your readers. Be patient and persistent. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build a significant income from your blog. Stay committed, keep improving your content, and adapt to changes in the blogging landscape. Success may not come overnight, but with dedication, it's achievable. Legal and ethical considerations. Ensure that your blog complies with legal and ethical standards. Disclose sponsored content, respect copyright laws, and protect user data and privacy. Failing to do so can harm your blog's reputation and legal standing. Stay informed and evolve. The blogging landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies in the blogging world. Be willing to adapt and experiment to find what works best for your blog.